Hey, good morning guys, good afternoon. It depends on the place you're watching me from. On today's video is a special video guys. I'm shooting this video all the way from my village here in Kenya, Africa, to be specific. It's Banyanyabanse village, and today is another beautiful day. I want to share with you my projects over here in Kenya, Africa, to be specific, my home. And right here I'm shooting this video from my home. This is the main road that heads to the border town. That is Hispania border town right here. So this is the entrance to our home. It looks like a feeder road to the main road, and all the way down there it is the beautiful town. We are near town, just near, but we are in the village, and right there, I don't know if I can just go near, and this one heads deep down to the orphanage. That's the orphanage right there. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. I cannot zoom because I'm using this small camera. Right there, it's the orphanage, and look how people's project are doing here in the village. Very nice and great. But before that, have you subscribed? If not, please do so. Kindly, it's a kind request. I'm requesting you to subscribe, like, share, and leave a sweet comment, because when you subscribe today, you really motivate me to create more and do more videos right here. And I really appreciate your love and support. When I'll see at the comment section you have commented about this video, what do you think about this video? So this, how people are growing. These are maize. These are my neighbors' maize, because the funny thing is this road separates two communities, same tribe but some tribes. This one on the upper side I told you are the Bagumbe, and this one are the Bakira. So this is the other side. You see they are doing, and nowadays man, I really appreciate that there's people have come with technology has advanced. Technology has really advanced, because those days back we used to see people plowing here. Like now you could have seen a lot of maybe 50 plus people doing this weeding, but nowadays look, that guy is using just a pump, and I'm seeing some buckets there of water, and he's doing some spraying. So nowadays people don't even struggle to do what we call like to go to the land, do some plowing, weeding. No, nowadays they do weeding. Nowadays they do weeding digitally. They just do spray some chemicals, and all the weeds just move on. So I saw there were people moving around here on our project. This is our project, guys. We planted all this land, some watermelons the other day. We did some farrows, and I thank God that there was rain, plenty rain, and I really appreciate that, because watermelons are a water loving plant, because without water it will really make us go a big loss. So today I was doing trying to fence with this kind of leaves. Actually we have also, you call lantana camara or what? I don't know how you call it. You call it lantana camara. Vipi mura? It's called lantana camara. So people are trespassing through this farm heading to the other side, but I told them no, this is not the main road, because even if we have what you call like a funeral ceremony on the other side, so people are doing some trespassing. They leave the main road to the other side, but we cannot complain without that. So this is our beautiful home, and this is my brother's project. He always loved flowers. So from the main entrance over here, he has just planted flowers. So if you'll be coming to our home, I'm just giving you a very direct way. If you are paying a visit to our home, this is our home. From the main road, while you're heading downwards maybe to the orphanage, if you see this kind of a structure, know that you have reached to our home. And also right here we have this old house that is not yet finished. It's an unfinished house, and some flowers all the way. So he has really planted a lot of flowers all the way to the other side. Yeah, and I thank God that our place over here, we are really much grateful, because whatever we planted here is not yet destroyed. Everything is very great on this other side. And yesterday there were some kids who were doing what we call like harvesting some termites for the chicken. You know, this is a very nutritious food for the chicken. You know, have you ever seen a sese fly? This is a sese fly, guys. This one, that's a, oh, it has already gone. That's called a sese fly. When it bites you, it looks like a big house fly. So it's called sese fly. When it bites you, you are done, man. You'll be sleeping every single time. You'll be sleeping. So also, this is our neighbor's maze. That's our beautiful home over there. And this is our neighbor's home. Actually, the first time when I saw her doing what you call like furrows and ridges like this, I thought maybe she want to plant watermelons or onions, but she ended up doing what you call like planting maize on this side. So also we have a very great medicine here. This one is called aloe vera. Yeah, so our home looks very beautiful also from here. That end, that's our home, in which today I'll be sharing with you how we are doing some cleaning, and also I'll be taking you, maybe someday I'll be taking you to the hill. It has been a long time since I took you to the hill, and yeah, so this is what you see. Our home is very blessed. Look, there's a maize here, there's kales that are not yet destroyed. We have this called kehangu, sugar cane, and everything. So yeah, we also have this one. Is it a yam or an arrowroot? I never knew an arrowroot can make it on this soil, because I thought they are always on I thought they always make it on the riverside. So you can check on or see how our compound, wow, there are a lot of birds. So I want to bring some goats, and I think maybe from this side will be very better. So the other day you were seeing me doing what we call like doing some fencing. Yeah guys, this is our beautiful home over here. You've been seeing me doing some fencing, and my brothers, what you call like flowers, are really doing good. The only thing is right now we cannot carry a djembe to come and do some weeding, because we have a funeral over here at home. According to our tradition is that when somebody dies near you, or a neighbor or anybody, even if you're not related but around your community, you're not supposed to do what we call like go to the farm. You're not supposed to go to the farm the same day. So maybe they believe that when you go to the farm, your stuff will not do well, or your crops will not do well. So with me, I cannot try to come and start weeding here, but I just do what we call like slashing, and all will be well. So this has been here for some way. Also, let me know in the comment section on your side, when somebody dies, maybe at your community or alongside your community, do you people resume to your work, or do you resume to the work, or do you mourn together as a community? Yeah, so this way, so I'll be doing what we call like slashing on the other side, and doing what we have I'll be doing what we call like slashing and doing some other stuff. So like here, most people used to come and peep from here and see, hey, who is there. But nowadays we decided to put up all the way fence and other stuffs. So the only thing that I'll do is maybe to do some slashing. Yeah, our neighbor came also. We wanted to do what you call like do some farming, but this land has been here for years, because they were not doing what you call like farming there. So we used to look after animals right there. But anyway, let me just try to do some slashing, because this place looks very untidy. Reason being, it has been raining too much, and grass has been growing a lot. This is my young brother's house, Mugendi the Dreamer. I saw one guy said, one of our subscribers said, CJ, why don't you do what you call like finish this house, and why can't you construct this house or finish it? You have so many unfinished projects at your compound. Yes, we have so many unfinished. Like this one is my brother's house. That's Mugendi the Dreamer. So I really did my best up to this point. And also we have what we call like iron sheets. and on the other side also we have timbers that are in the kitchen that I show you. So what we're meaning now, it's just to add more iron sheets and put a finishing up, and he can come in. But for now, I have a lot of unfinished projects like mine. I haven't yet even done anything on our dreamland, and yeah, it's slowly by slowly. And sometimes financial status, it's not allowing. Yeah, so that's it. And on this side, so hopefully I've answered you well. So it's just financial status, but if you wish also to help, to chip in, maybe by 2 iron sheet, 1 iron sheet, your support is highly appreciated, because I don't know your intention. Maybe you asked maybe to support, or you asked maybe to know. Now you have known that it's a financial status. And also on the other side, we are buying materials slowly by slowly, So I wanted to show you something here, guys. I planted here some tamarind. So these are tamarind. For those who don't know what tamarind are, these are tamarind. In Swahili they call them ukwaju. So I just decided to put here some seedlings, and they are really sprouted well. So some days also I'll be putting them to our dreamland. So already we have tamarind trees. So when I see those ones there, I feel like, oh man, it's good, well, because already we have some tamarind there. Yeah, so this is our gate. We haven't yet painted it, but I will. So sometimes when it's open this way, I feel so much okay. I feel a little bit. So nowadays I just sleep, man. Nowadays I sleep, and I just sleep like no man's business, because top security. No, you can imagine, guys, this place used to be like open, but I tried my best to do some fencing, doing my best about fencing on the other side, on the upper end. Also we fenced the whole compound, and this is the place that we always do what we call like sit, relax. If you come as a content creator and you want maybe help, this is the only place that I always sit, right here with this beautiful compound. Oh no, man. Yeah, this is my home. So if anybody asks you where's Claude Joseph's home, just type Claude Joseph on YouTube and you'll see me. I always showcase my home. I always showcase what's everything. And I was told this plant is called, no, this flower, is this Joseph's coat? No, Joseph's coat. Joseph's coat looks like this. This looks like, yeah, this is Joseph's coat. It's a very nice flower. It's a flower, at the same time it's a plant. It's a flower. Joseph's coat. Joseph's coat. So we fenced everywhere. Also on this other side we fenced. I literally fenced everywhere, every corner of our home, and that's how it's supposed to be. Fencing. This is our electricity pole on the other side. Right here, let me show you another project. Now we are waiting here. What we are waiting for, it's our watermelons to come out. Right here. Wow, man, our mango have also done some magic. So it's only for me to go bring what we call like some traps, and also spray them so that the mango, this one, cannot fall down. Sometimes when it makes this way, it brings some fruits and they fall down. So this time I don't want to make some mistake. I'll do the best. I'll just do my best to make sure that those mango fruits haven't fallen down. And man, I'm looking towards our, oh, they have started coming out. Look, these are our, oh man, these ones were not in, they've started coming out. These are some sweet pepper. They've started coming out. The carrots are disappointing me a little bit, but also I can see them. See, like this one, It's a carrot. They're all over carrots in here, you know. Woohoo! But this place really makes me feel much happy. This other side, it's only that dogs really come and run here at night. You see, these ones are carrots. All are carrots on the other side, man. Woo. So let us have a slasher, and we want to show you what we'll be doing on this other end. That's my mom. She's doing some cleaning over, and yeah, home sweet home, man. Okay, let's go in our house and we see how beautiful it is right now before we proceed to what we call like doing our cleaning. Yeah, most people also have been asking, CJ, where is your house? From outside you see something different, but when you enter inside here you also see something different, you know. Yeah, so we are here with Minhawi. Hey, say something. Hey, I knew very well.
It's cup, is it?
Yes. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you come to our house, say, hey Claude, please put me tea in this cup.
I normally don't check when I normally just.
You should be checking on your cup.
No.
Don't always rush to take
I
my
like
cup.
drinking from this cup. The tea tastes different. Good morning, guys. Good afternoon. Good evening. For those who are watching me, watching us rather, not me. Yeah. So we are currently at home. What to say now? We are, of course, farmers currently. We are like, are we serious farmers right now? What do you think?
Yes, we are.
Yeah, so just in the house today. I'm just chilling and resting. I haven't done much today. We also have a function around the home, so we a bit rested today. Today everyone is at home. Most people are at home. Let me just say that. So I'm not so sure what's going to happen. Have you updated them on what you want to do?
No, I want to just do some what do you call it, cleaning, general cleaning of our place, and we see how everything is.
Okay,
Yes.
So that's what you're going to do.
Okay.
And thank you.
All right.
Okay.
Enjoy. Let me check what's in here.
Okay, you're not taking breakfast.
I will, guys. This is wow. So they have prepared something here. So let me give you a small tour of our grand kitchen over here. So right here we have this open cabinet where we put our hot pots and other stuff, the stuff that cannot fit in the other cupboards. So also this is a area for spices and maybe tea leaves and different stuffs that are just that are on reach. The ones that are, you know, there's some stuff that you don't want to go look inside and inside. So the stuff that are just every day, that are on a daily basis on use, they are here, so that they are visible. You can just take them. You want masala, you want anything, take it from there. And also right here, I don't know guys if you know this one, this is called fermented milk. Let me show you something. I don't know if you might see them. That's milk. It's a fermented milk. I don't know how you call them on your other side. Other people call it mursik. You know, with us we call it a mavere maruran, the milk that has been fermented. So with me, I always love this with ugali, all the sweet potatoes. This is our finger millet, then just for porridge, rice. This was yesterday's food. I have tea, in which I'll take tea later on. And also we have sweet potatoes there. And this is our cooker, and that's the gas from there. It's connected to the cooker. Yeah, just simple living, just simple life in the village. So this is the inside side of the house, and this is the living room. So from the living room we have a TV area over here. We have a TV area right here, which we don't have a TV right now because somebody stole our TV that my lovely mama from the US really supported me, but somebody dashed in and stole. Also we have our places. These are my boys medals he won. This is golden, it's called gold medal. The second one is silver, also medal. All these one he was given when he was doing what we call like swimming. Yeah, and our ukulele also is here. Where? Maria will be awake. Yeah, so this is the simple living room also, and this side also looks like a small chemist where if a boy coughs or my daughter coughs, she has to come over here and have some meds, you know. And yeah, that's it. And this is the kitchen. So before that, yeah, I'll have to put on, this is the pantry. Is it called a pantry? No, a porch, and a kitchen porch out here. And you can see we had a very big harvest. These ones I'll have to look for offals. You have a very big banana. They're not plantain, neither they're not normal bananas. These are called them nyangombe. Nyangombes are very big. They have very big banana. How do you call it? Are they called banana fingers or what? Very big. So this one is for cooking. So they'll prepare what we call like them with offals. So maybe I'll be rushing to the town to go bring offals so they can prepare with it. And we had this pawpaw plant that we ate some pawpaw some days back, and when we went to Mombasa, came back, we found that this pawpaw plant have grown from this corner of the house, and I cannot take it out, you know. So it has already developed some strong roots. So we may just left it that way so that it can grow over here near the house. This is the door, and we have a pawpaw plant over here, just like that. So some days, I told you I have a lot of unaccomplished projects. So this one, some days I'll put here some ridges and put something over here that will be really helping us to do what we call like just to put up security, because this is the place where put up utensils and other stuffs, washing, if you want to chill right there. So I had some moringa. This is called moringa leaves. I went very far to pick for some moringa, but also I planted some moringa. So I want to put them to dry so that I can sieve them and give it to Bibi. Okay, all right. Yeah guys, so you have to put it over here so that it can dry on a clean board. No, this one is very expensively sold on other hotels, and maybe on what we call like supermarkets. So I have to put it down here so that I can see. Just put it just this way for Bibi. This one is for Bibi. I don't know if that music will give me a copyright. I told you there's a function over here. It's a funeral ceremony that is happening on this side. So yeah, this one guys, these are moringa leaves. Some of you really commented, CJ, please kindly look for moringa leaves for Bibi. I had one which I was using, but it got finished. So right now I went also yesterday somewhere, came with them. There's a place where I planted some moringa, but when my brother came, he slashed them down. He never knew that they were moringa leaves. So right now I have to put this under sun just like this so that they can dry up. And also I'll show you the way forward of doing them. Okay, yeah, so let's go some slash and then we're gonna have our breakfast. I did some planting of look how I'm doing guys. I did some planting. This is what we call like this is a pomegranate tree. So I did some suckers. I cut the tree and put it down here, and I see it's really germinating well. It's really doing well, very well. So you see there's this grass that it has really outgrown here, so I have to just slash it slowly by slowly. And then when my brother brings the machine, it's very hard. This one is very hard on this side. I'm waiting for my brother to bring up a machine in the evening, and I can just slash it down. Let me slash what it can be slashed, and then we wait for the machine. You know, sometimes when the grass grows towards the house, they make it damp. You know, when the rain rains, the water gets stagnant over there, and sometimes it might make your house weak, you know. So anyway, let me do some cleaning. And you know, sometimes if you're not doing some thorough cleaning, you might end up finding some snakes around here. Just like that. And the machine will come and finish it. It's hard work, but you don't know, guys, this. But very hard work. Isn't easy, guys, but we are really managing to do some slashing, and yeah, that's how it's going. All right, okay. Keep the compound clean. Have breakfast. Oh my god. It's healthy breakfast. Some sweet potatoes, tortilla patata. Link up in Kenya and Jamaica. So we have our breakfast, guys. You're all welcome, and we can see other stuff to do. Okay, yeah, guys, I want to preparing some pegs. Preparing some pegs. Prepare. Sinaongea peke yangu na vitu zangu. I'm preparing some pegs around here, guys, for our goats. Our goats are around. Some pegs. music coming from the other side, but let me try to look on this side. Just making some strong pegs. Now some goats always have a lot of chaos. Yeah. So let's go. Hey, over here when somebody dies, it's like a big ceremony, so people celebrate, guys. Where some dance, bring big music. Crazy. Let me put some pegs over here so that the goats can just enjoy some green grass around here. And I put a peg right someplace like here. And I put a peg a place like here. They just eat on this other side all the way. Just like that. It's enough. Pound, 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 like that. Pound, 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 pound. Just like that. It's okay. So let me find another place to put that should be to graze on the other side. Bring another one, I put it over here to graze around. It is okay. Now let me bring some goats, tie them there. It should be much okay. Typical village life. That's my daily routine. Taking taking care of our goats, cleaning our compound. You know, let me know in the comment section what do you think about this around here. The goats are crazy. If you're not careful with them, they'll run away like the skeleton. You see, like that one, they're already running as if they don't. They run as if they know where they're going. That's the crazy part of these goats. They're looking. Oh, come on, man. They're running crazy. Just like that. Have the other part of the goats, and they're running with that. You have to pull them. The goat matatas. These are the goat matatas. You know, very stubborn. Very stubborn goat matatas. Slowly by slowly. So goat number one will feed from here. Goat number one will feed from here. I think it wanna be this. Let me keep. This goat number one will feed from here. Hopefully it will feed well from that point. And number two will come and feed also from here. Hey, come on, man. But number two can feed from here. Still no big problem. Number three will come and feed from here. Come on, man. From this point. And just like that, we are done. just like that we are done. Wow, so this one will just feed all the way to the other side. And yeah, so thank you so much guys for subscribing, liking and sharing this video. I really appreciate your love and support. Feel free to subscribe, like, share and leave a sweet comment. You are always my #1 fan who always keep this channel to move. So let's wait and do a final send off to our neighbor. May her soul rest in peace. And yeah, so just like that guys, chapter closed. Yeah, this life we only have 3 sessions: birth, living, death. Only that. So while you are living, just do your own goods, all goods that you can, everything that you can, but don't forget Almighty God. Then after that you are done. You'll be put to rest in peace. Okay, thank you so much and bye guys from a beautiful home here in Kenya, Africa.